Hey guys, it's me. Today we are going to be going over the assembly of a Blue Hawk 4-tier shelving unit. So this is meant to be for a closet or a garage. It's great for storage, nothing too heavy duty. It says you can't climb it or anything crazy like that, but it should be great for some light storage in the closet. Assembly should be super easy, so I just wanted to take you through the assembly instructions, so hopefully you find it helpful. I picked this up from Lowe's for about $17, and I think it should be a really good value. So let's start putting it together. So the assembly is as simple as you have these pegs. There should be about 12 of them, and then you've got these four shelves. So you should just put these like poles into the holes, and then it should assemble really nicely. So we'll start with the first one. Nope. Doesn't go in. Nope. It's not going to happen. Try a different one. Okay, let's try a different, maybe that shelf just isn't a good one. So we'll try a different one. Okay. Try a different one of these. So I think that this is not going to work today. So we'll check in next time and we'll see the shocking conclusion of the assembly of this Blue Hawk 4-tier shelving unit. It's available at Lowe's. You can buy it at lowes.com. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.